Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the front fluid in the axles for a Polaris. Okay, so first thing you want to do is kind of spin the axle a little bit. Just get the fluid kind of moving and loosen it up. You want to get to the top and then get your hex, and we're going to remove the fill plug first. So just okay, with that all that way out, I should have a little magnet on it. We'll clean that off right now. Okay, so now you're going to remove the 3 bolts right here. It should be hand tight, so I wouldn't. Okay. Now you want something to catch the fluid. This isn't immediately going to come off, so let me... Okay, so as you can see there, I kind of had to pry it off. Just be careful, it kind of flew off on me. It is pretty hard to get off. There is an O-ring right there, as you can see, so we'll clean this up. The gear oil is pretty black. Yeah, definitely hasn't been changed in a while. About this much came out. That is, I'd say a little over 1 ounce. And then it did kind of fly over, so we'll say like maybe 1¼ ounces are where it was in there. So now we're going to just kind of wipe this out in here with a rag. And then we're going to clean the cap up, put the cap back on, and fill it back up. Okay, so once you drain it all, I actually ended up taking this whole hub off to replace the brake disc. I also did the brake pads. That's going to be an upcoming video anyways. So now once you do that, I'm going to kind of clean this off. As you can see, it's a little dirty. And then put it back on. What I'm going to do is also I'm going to make sure there's some oil on the O-ring. And make sure it's not damaged either, or it'll leak. So we'll be right back with that. Okay, so I cleaned this up, put some oil around the O-ring. Now we're going to put it back on here. Let me get our rubber mallet here, just... line it up there. Get our bolts. Okay. you gotta do is snug it up. That looks good. So now we're gonna go on to filling it. Okay, so now we're gonna fill it up. I found a funnel that I have that just fits in there. It's from Harbor Freight. It was in like a little kit. So we're gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put about 2 ounces, which is it's like what, 53 milliliters or something. That's how the oil's supposed to look. Mine was really black. So we're just gonna pour all this in here. Okay, so I put about 2 ounces in. A little less than that came out. So what we're gonna do is I cleaned the plug. So you want to put the plug in. Get your tool to screw it back in here. Just kind of so it's snugged up. As you can see, it's snugged up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spin it. Okay, I just rotated it a bunch of times just because I took the whole hub off and I want everything to get proper grease, and I let it sit for a little bit while I just cleaned up here. So after you do that, remove the screw. There shouldn't be really any metal on it. Should be fine. Which mine is. Okay, good. Next, you want to put it to 8 o'clock or 4 o'clock position if you're looking at a clock. So 3 o'clock is basically right here, so you just want to put it like right kind of there. And 3 o'clock. As you can see, sun's coming out. Let's check it again. Okay. So after that's done, you're pretty much done. Just put the drain plug back in and hand tighten that, and you're ready to rock and roll. You don't need to take the tire off. It definitely helps when it comes to draining. It makes kind of less of a mess. If you do take the tire off and you put them back on, the tire lug nuts are, not lug nuts, bolts are 20 Newton meters, I believe, 20 foot-pounds or 20 foot-pounds. That's what you torque these to. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll be showing you how to replace the brake discs and pads. And yeah, see you on the next one. Thank you.